Today we are making chiffon cake. We need 6 eggs. You need 50 milliliters of some nice vegetable oil. Yes. You need 80 grams of sugar. This is some nice sugar from ShopRite. Pick it up at your local grocery store. I'm not sponsored by ShopRite, I just like the name. Some flour, 80 grams of flour, also from ShopRite. They match, so cute. I think 50 milliliters of milk, 80 milliliters of milk, that would have been a problem. This stuff. So, your first step is going to be to separate the egg yolks from the egg whites. Oh, that was smooth. Did you see that? You caught that? That was really smooth. And make sure that the white all comes out, all the whites coming out, all the whites coming out, and not the yolk. And just kind of part of it. So then you just take the yolk that's left over and plop it right in there. Boop. Put your dead egg shell in here, and then I'm going to throw this egg white in this big bowl. Right there. And I'm going to do it again then. So we will be putting 40 grams of sugar in this one and 40 grams of sugar in this one. And when you are measuring for the excess, when you put the sugar into the egg white mixture, so put some flour, which is a much different consistency than sugar. Don't mix the two up. They're not interchangeable, ever. 80, perfect, amazing. Here you have it, folks. It takes a while. Got it. And then find an outlet. How convenient, there's an outlet right here. So not too much, just a little. And then you mix it for however long it takes to mix egg whites. High speed! High speed! Now it's bubbly, so you add a little bit more sugar. You shouldn't stop the mixing, but I had to because I can't talk. So make sure that you don't stop mixing until the little white peaks that you make when you lift up your things can stand up by themselves. So right now they can't. So the beater, they just make little peaks and they stay alone. So then you know that your little mixture is done and ready to be used for some other things. Okay, so now we're going to use this beater to mix the eggs and the sugar. 80. We know where the 150 mark is. We're just going to put it a little bit lower than that. So, yep. And then this just goes right into the eggs and sugar. Boop. Yummy. Now we will beat this just until it's all mixed nicely together.
And the salt.
And wow, magic. Salt. It just came out of the air. Don't worry about that. Like that. And then you just kind of gently pat it so it looks like snow falling over a lake. Like this much. And just kind of plop it in here. And you continue folding. Pour into the little divot. It'll go over, but it's fine. It's a little chunky. That's fine. Make sure you get all of it. Do not waste any. Want to have an even amount of ingredients. And come up and just toss it. That was bad. Just do this. It's completely homogenized. Just gently and carefully pour your mixture into the pan, like so. What if I just drop this whole thing?
That'd be bad.
That would suck. Okay, so we have now taken this wonderful piece of art out of the oven and we're going to put it on this plate. Gently. Like that. Okay, a perfect chiffon cake. It's really hot. We will now try the chiffon cake. Gabe!
Oh, did you-
Please welcome my brother Gabriel. Welcome to the show, Gabe. The crowd goes wild. Please have a seat as you try this cake. No one has tried it yet. You are the first.